welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. I have collected some advanced adjectives that you must know. These adjectives are very Egyptian and they are very common, and Egyptians say them all the time. Adjectives like mefarhad, meantakh, metarmakh. All these are very important, and you may have trouble understanding them for the first time, but after this episode, sure you will understand all these adjectives and you will impress your Egyptian friends and also loved ones. So, let's start with the first adjective. First important adjective here is metaba. So we say أنا مطبق. Metaba, it has two meanings, a direct one and a more advanced one that usually Egyptians use all the time. Let's start with the beginner one or the basic one. The basic meaning of metaba is folded. Okay, so if you have something that is really stretched and you fold this, so okay, يطبق, to fold it. Maybe you fold, for example, a cartoon or something in order to put it in a tight place or a limited space. This is the direct meaning, okay? And usually Egyptians do not use this meaning a lot. But the more advanced one, the most important one that we will focus here is metabba, which is an adjective for humans, okay? So we say أنا مطبق. When I say أنا مطبق, it doesn't mean that I am folded, okay? It means that I haven't slept the last night. I am awake from yesterday. This is the meaning of مطبق. So when I say, for example, أنا هطبق النهاردة in order to finish this subject, because tomorrow is an exam and I have too much information and the subject is really full and I have limited time. So أنا هطبق النهاردة. I will stay awake and don't sleep. Of course, this is wrong. Okay? So, metabba here, and you hear it a lot in schools, universities, especially universities. And during this age and during this particular time, so it means that the student will stay awake, not sleep, until he or she finishes all this material that is required. Okay, so the first one is metabba. And of course, the female version is metabba'a. The second one, metarmakh or metarmakha. Okay, the female version. Metarmakh or metarmakha. Metarmakh, it means neglecting. Okay, he is just or she is neglecting the thing, and she is staying as he is or as she is without doing the thing that's required to do. Like lazy, okay? But it has more meaning than lazy. It means that he is not caring even about doing it. Metarmakh, okay? So he's staying as he is or ignoring what should be done. And the female version for it is metarmakha. So an example, when I say أنا هطرمخ النهاردة, I will not study. Okay, so I am ignoring studying today. أنا هطرمخ النهاردة. Okay, so مطرمخ, or this person, الولد ده مطرمخ. He doesn't know. He doesn't want to study. He doesn't want to move. He is on the sofa all the time. مطرمخ. He's very lazy and doesn't want to even to make any action. And the female is metarmakha. Our third adjective here is medarda. And the female is medarda. Medarda or medarda, it has to do with speaking with the other gender. Okay, so usually we say the boy, this guy or this boy, medarda. Medarda, it means he can speak with females, okay, can talk. He is not really very shy and cannot find words and get into trouble while speaking, but he can find words and say it in a good way, and he is very confident and he is very attractive, and we say هو مدردح. مدردح, he can speak with females, okay, مدردح. The same way, medarda as well. She is not very shy when finding a man, for example, and speaking with him, even as a colleague or even in work. Okay, so medarda, it means she or he can speak with the other gender easily, without confusion, without excessive shyness, okay, excessive difficulty of talking or handling the situation. So medarda. And the female version is medardaha. Remember when we talked about metarmakh, we have a synonym or a similar word, which is meantakh. Meantakh here is it has a slight difference. There's a slight difference between meantakh and metarmakh in the sense that meantakh, it means he is not ignoring something, but he is just lazy and just love being in this state. And the meantakh, it doesn't necessarily mean that the person is lazy as a character. Okay, so I say, for example, هو meantakh النهارده. He has nothing to do. Okay, or his schedule today is not busy. So هو meantakh. Okay, so meantakh here, it means that he choose to be lazy this time because there's not too much things to be done and he choose to have his rest. And meantakh, it gives us the image of maybe laying on the sofa and watching TV, having something to drink while he is in the very comforted state and is not doing so much action. So meantakh is just still without doing action. meantakh. And the female version is meantakha. So أنا هأنتخ النهارده. هأنتخ. This is a verb of meantakh. هأنتخ or يأنتخ. هأنتخ النهارده, it means I will not do anything. I will just stay at home, watch TV, okay, stay on my sofa and watch TV and enjoying myself because I deserve it. I have done so much this week, so I need this break. هأنتخ النهارده. Our last adjective here is mefarhad. mefarhad. So when I say أنا مفرهد النهارده, mefarhad, it means excessively tired, very tired. Okay, the energy is just sucked out of me. I don't have any energy left. So mefarhad. And the mefarhad, we say it usually in hot weather. Okay, so أنا مفرهد من الحر. I am already done with this hot weather and hot wave. I cannot do anything. I have no energy at all. So mefarhad is an advanced adjective that Egyptians say, especially when they are in summer and it's 40 degrees, for example, and they are walking outdoors and they have trouble with the heat. So, and they have no energy. They are really done. So I say, أنا مفرهد من الحر. I have no energy from the heat, from the high temperature. And the female version is mefarhada. mefarhada. So أنا مفرهدة. I am done. I am very tired. I cannot do anything. أنا مفرهدة من الحر. Okay? I am tired from the hot weather, the high temperature. Now you know these important adjectives. Let's recap. We have metaba, which means I am staying late without sleeping, okay, and continue staying until the next day. So I will not sleep. metaba. The second one, we have metarmakh, which means ignoring, very ignoring and have no care for what to be done. The third one is medarda. He or she can speak with the other gender. The fourth one is meantakh. It means lazy. I am lazy and I enjoy being in this state, particularly at this time. The last one is mefarhad, which means I am done, I am very tired, especially in hot weather. I hope that you liked this episode and found these adjectives easy and could absorb them easily. You will definitely hear them from Egyptians, and my recommendation is to try them with an Egyptian nearby and tell me what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Linguamid, and also don't forget to enroll in my free Egyptian 101 course. You'll find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. Thanks a lot and see you in a future episode.